Hi guys, sorry I'm not there to introduce this project, but hopefully this video will suffice. So today we are going to start working on our Origins of Life video project. I'm pretty excited. I think this is going to be kind of awesome. It's a little bit creative. So what's going to happen is you're either going to work on your own or with a partner, and you are going to research one of these 6 origin of life hypotheses. Since this is like origin of life on Earth, and then kind of how life got to be how we know it to be. I do have these assigned by your table, but since you can work with pairs, you don't necessarily have to pair up with someone at your table. I just need to make sure that at least one of each of these topics is represented. Ideally, I would like 2 people to be working on each one of these topics. And so it really just kind of depends on like how many people are in class, and people that are absent today also will have to do this. And if you're only going to be here one of the 2 days because we're working on this in class Monday and Tuesday, then you may want to work independently. So that's always an option for you to decide to work on your own. So here's how I'm going to assign them. The Miller-Urey experiment is one of like the biggest, most interesting to me, origin of life hypotheses research projects. And so if you're at the blue table or the green table, then you may pair up within your table or you can pair up with someone outside of your table, but you guys are going to be the ones that are responsible for Miller-Urey experiment. If you're at the yellow table, that means you're going to look at the origin of life meteorite hypothesis. If you are at the orange table, you are going to work on the iron sulfide bubble hypothesis. If you're sitting at the red or the aqua tables, you're going to work on the RNA world hypothesis. If you're sitting at the purple table, you are working on endosymbiosis. And last, if you are at the pink table, you are working on the formation of the protenoid microspheres. So that one's actually really, really cool too. All of these are pretty interesting. So that's how we're going to assign them. And again, if you're working with someone who's not at your table, you kind of have to decide, are there people from your table already working on your topic? Are there already 2 groups doing your topic? If not, you need to be that group. So kind of see if you can decide. Anyway, I would like to have 2 of these. We're going to do a gallery walk. That's actually how we're going to present them. And so I need at least 2 rounds of gallery walk. That way everyone has an opportunity to watch a video. So here are the video requirements. If you're going to work with a partner, instead of working by yourself, I have to hear both of your voices or see both of your faces and hear your voices equally. It's not one person running the show and one person working the camera. Of course, you can use your cell phones to do this. Like, that's no problem. You can make the video in this program called Flipgrid. It's actually an app you can download, or you can go to the website flipgrid.com. It's super cool. I'm really excited about it. And it's got like lots of neat options, and it's a little bit more secure for school stuff. So it's a little easier than YouTube. So you can use another video making app if you'd prefer, but Flipgrid's pretty awesome. The maximum length that this can be is 5 minutes. So don't go on forever and ever. I mean, be pretty straight to the point. You see the instructions and everything it has to have down at the bottom in the grading rubric section. I have to know the main scientists that are involved. I have to know the main points of this theory idea. I have to know what opposition did they face. Like, what were some people that were like, that's not going to work because blah, blah, blah. So I want to know what were those flaws or challenges in their experiment or hypothesis. You do have to have at least 3 visual aids. So that means you can do like different kinds of props that are related to the topic. You could actually make like a poster or like visual like flip cards that you kind of have not animating, but kind of like, guided note cards or whatever. Photos, whatever. You do need 3 props in your video though. You need to make sure that, again, your voice is clear, your face is visible, the delivery of the information is consistent, so it's not like you're rushing right at the end, appropriate lighting, video is 5 minutes. That's just kind of like aesthetics of the video. You also have to have 2 credible references, and so those, obviously, since they're MLA or APA format, you're going to have to give me those at a later point. You can just kind of actually write them on an index card and hand those to me whenever you have them, probably Tuesday. So we have to have this uploaded by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday, which is February 12th, because Block Day, we're showing these videos. So I don't want any group to have an advantage over another group. You have to have it uploaded. And the way Flipgrid works is when you go to flipgrid.com, it'll ask for your flip code. And so when you type in my flip code, it's Wyrick AP Bio. It's all lowercase. And then I do have them broken down by class period, and I have the instructions posted in Flipgrid too. Make sure that your video's name has your topic, so Miller-Urey experiment, and then your names, the names of the people that are participating in your video. If there's only one person, it's one name. If there's two people, it's two names. Just kind of help me out a little bit so I know who's doing what. That's pretty much it. I'll have my remind with me, like open, available tomorrow. Sorry, I'm recording this at Sunday. I'll have this available so you can ask any questions you need to, and hopefully I'll be back in class on Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, have a wonderful day and good luck with this. Bye.